Good day to you all. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we'll be looking at long trend trading strategy for boom and crash. Long trend trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, I actually, based on my own personal experience, I love trading long trend because it gives you the opportunity to trade for a very long time and also to have the full potential of the market. Okay, so and so many people have been looking for a way to do this also, because based on mine, on the messages I'm getting from my subscribers, so many people have been looking for a way to do this. So I've decided to reveal to you how you can go about it. But before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take your time to study my videos and also practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into the platform to check out what we have for today. Okay, quickly, this is for long trading strategy. There are so many things you need to put in place. Okay, in most cases when you are trading on a long trend, then you will enjoy the market successfully. But before you can go into that, there are some things you need to look out for. Okay, and most especially one of those things is the trend. Okay, once you are sure of the trend, most especially when the trend is just starting, then you are good to go. Okay, but another thing you need to look out for is the support. Okay, what the support and resistance level. Okay, once you are sure of all these, then you will be able to achieve this successfully, because the trend will help you to know the support and resistance level, and also the support and resistance level will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. So all these are very important whenever you are trading on a very long trend. Then also, other things that you need to take note of is your trading capital and your lot size. Once you are using a reasonable, because you are going to be trading on a long trend, so the market will be going up and down. Okay, and so you need to use a reasonable lot size that will be good enough for your capital to control. Okay, all these are very important. You don't expect to use a lot size that you should use for scalping for a long trend trading. So if you are using that, then definitely you are planning to lose your capital at that particular point. So I'm going to show you a quick example on this. Okay, so right here I've got this indicator on the system called QDC Scraper indicator. It helps me to know the trend right from the beginning, even before the trend will start. Then it helps me to know when the trend will be coming to an end, even before it eventually comes to an end, or before there will be a reversal in price action. Then I also know the support and resistance level. Okay, then it also gives me an hint on where to come in and where to exit the market. So in order for you to trade successfully using this setup, you need to put your trade on 15-minute time frame, because we want to trade for a very long time and you don't want to stay glued to the system for a very long time before we get a signal to go into the trade. Okay, so I'll be bringing it down, and that is why I'm not trading on higher time frame like 1 hour daily time frame or H4. Okay, I'm bringing it down to 15-minute time frame because I want to get the trend as quickly as possible. Okay, so this is it. The trend is starting right from here, so this is the signal that pops out on the trend indicator, which means that we should be getting ready to trade at this point. So definitely this is the area where we should be preparing to trade. But should we jump into the trade immediately? No. This is when we should jump into the trade, when we have our sell signal popping up on the main chart. Okay, so that is where we should go into the trade. So right here you can open your first order right here using a lot size that is reasonable. Okay, let's say you are using $1,000 to trade. Okay, let's say you are using $1,000 to trade. You can still open a lot size of probably zero. Okay, you can use, it depends on how good you are anyway, but you can use 0.5 at that point. 0.5, since it is boom and crash. Okay, you can use 0.5 at that point, and believe me, this is going to go for a very long time. Okay, it's going to go for a very long time. Remember, this is your first order. Okay, so your second order, you may decide, because you want to trade for a very long time. Okay, so you don't need to close your trade immediately you see your exit arrow. So far the trend is still in your support or in your favor. So right here where we have another sell signal, you can open another order right here. Okay, this time around you can still use 0.5, or you increase it a bit. Okay, you can increase it a bit to let's say you may decide to use 1.0 at this point. 1.0 at this point. Okay, so you may decide to use 1.0 at this point. So remember, this will be in profit already, and this also not long before then we start being in profit. So right here we got our exit arrow right here, just the way you are seeing it, and but we are not going to exit it because this is still red. We got to this level where we add another sell signal. We can come in right here again. Okay, we can come in right here again if you want. Okay, and we may decide not to come in. Okay, check it out, it's consolidated a lot around here because it was trying to break this support level and it was trying to break this resistance level, but eventually it broke out from the resistance level, but there is a bigger resistance level above it which it was unable to break. So it's eventually, okay, you guys might be thinking, okay, if you open another order, okay, let's say you open another order here to make it the third order. Okay, that's, in that case, let's say we are using 1.5. Okay, check it out, this will be in profit. Your first order and your second order will be in profit. Since the market is consolidating around there, this will be in profit, and will be going to negative, which is the third order. So right here it went on negative. So all you just need to do is just to hold on because this is still red. So definitely it's still going to go back in profit. The trend is yet to come to an end. Okay, it came back in profit right here, but went back up again. But right here, check it out, it broke out successfully and went down and down and down till the trend came to an end here. So right here you can now close all the order which you have opened right here. You can close all the orders which you have opened. Remember, you opened about 3 orders, so this one will be in a lot of profit, this will also be in a lot of profit, and this also will give you a lot of profit because you are using a very big lot size right there. Okay guys, this is how you can use it to trade the trend for a very long time. You can see it, this trend actually went for long. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. We can do the calculations if you want. It went for a very long time, and you can milk the market right from the beginning of the trend to the very end if you are smart with it. Okay, all you just need to do is just to make sure that you have a good setup that can help you to identify all these trends right from the beginning. Okay, this is Q, this is Creeper Indicator. For those of you that are having, I want you to have it set up on your chart take your chart to 15-minute time frame and try to pick up a trade right from the beginning of the trend to the very end using the strategy which I have highlighted in today's video. So if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.